support and assist the works of clinicians, and medical science or healthcare or the treatment of a patient always proceeds on the human touch, the empathy and compassion, and of course the communication that takes place between the doctors and the patient. So AI can only support the doctors, it can only reduce the burden of their routine or volume based tasks, but it can never really take their place. And what is required today, since technology integration has become the need of the hour, and AI is also not an option, it is being incorporated more and more into our healthcare systems. So what we need today is that our medical fraternity, our clinicians, specialists or non-specialists, they need to be AI literate, and this is important to be future ready clinicians. So all I urge is doctors to leave behind these fears that AI could ever replace them, and they should take steps to be AI literate and help us to attain the goal of inclusivity and health equity.
Ma'am, how important do you think AI is in patient care when we talk of patient care? Because the patient care is more of trust. How do you see this?
Well, like I said before, AI is no longer an option. It is a necessity. And as more and more use of AI is taking place in healthcare, it is actually helping the doctors to give better results, because the routine volume-based tasks are handled by the sophisticated algorithms of AI, and the doctors are able to concentrate and focus their energies more on the complex cases or on making clinical decisions where AI offers them a lot of support. So I think the doctors are able to provide better patient care. Patients are also benefiting out of this. And we have a larger goal for India. AI means all inclusive. So no one should be left behind. And especially this is true for healthcare settings which are low resource. And India has a huge population and a diverse population. And we do face lack of availability of specialists as well as resources. So in such a scenario, technological integration, especially the use of AI, becomes a very vital bridge, because it helps us to reach patients who need care the most.